Have you ever thought that an ordinary thread can turn into a masterpiece of art? If not, then sit back and let us convince you of this with a unique set from Picasso Art. Because this particular set will allow you to create masterpieces with your own thread from any of your photos that will enchant anyone. Let's unpack the kit and dive into the creative process. You will have everything you need to have a good time. Black monofilament, it is with its help that the magic of art will happen. A box that transforms into an easel. Wooden base with 240 nails on it. A cardboard diagram of the sectors. The sectors and numbers in them will help you navigate and create a unique composition. Stand for the phone. A wooden holder for easier unwinding of the thread. A mobile application that will become your indispensable assistant in the process of creating a picture. You upload a photo from the gallery to the Picasso Art app, and the app generates a unique painting with a thread. You can choose different contrasts for the final result. Tie the thread to the nail of your first step. The app will voice the sequence of work in an artificial intelligence voice. For your comfort, you can choose the background sound and the speed of dictation of the numbers. Listen and follow the instructions of the voice assistant and enjoy the process, which is thought out to the last detail. The picture created by your hands by Picasso Art will fit into any interior due to the stylish balance of black and white colors. A picture with a thread will be a testament to your uniqueness. And even if you encounter difficulties or obstacles, always remember that you can create something great with just one thread.